Hi guys, it's Nick from Embrosa, and today I want to show you how to distribute a campaign. So if I'm now in my market and we can see our content, if I want to distribute this content, I click here on the left under content on distribution, and here I can add a distribution. I can select use only clip items or not. I didn't clip items. I will show you how to do this. But here I can select the distribution template. I created the test template. How I created this, I made another video about that. So if you don't know that, watch that video first. Now I do the test templates and I can distribute. If you want to use the only clip items, you go to content items, you can select the item and clip it. So now I can go back to distribution, add the distribution, only use the clipped items, then it will be one item. I select the template and I can distribute it. Now it is distributed. Thank you for watching.